CrafTea, and today we're going to be doing... Yes.
Sorry. Should I hit stop?
Sure. Oh my gosh, you think we can do that? What is that one? Ah! I told you we can do that! What did I agree to this? Hey guys, it's CrafTea, and today we're going to be doing another yoga challenge video. I kind of forgot what it was for a second. With Naomi, because we did one of these before and it kind of blew up and it was really funny. Not only like did it blow up, but it was so fun to film, it was so fun to edit, and it was so fun to watch. I just love that video so much. So if you guys have never heard of the yoga challenge, it's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna do yoga poses, couples yoga poses, like a good couple we are. But we have photos on our phones and we're going to look at the pose, and I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see as well, and then we're going to do it and see if we can actually successfully do the pose. So let's get into it. Let's do
the easy. Let's do this one first.
Yeah, that one's pretty easy. What is that person even doing? I'll be bottom and you can be top, okay?
This is like the potato pose.
Oh, like this?
Damn, you kind of did.
Oh gosh, it's like a thigh, inner thigh workout.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what do? I'm literally kneeling on you, and then I put my... I feel like I need to smush you. Put my head down, and then I put...
Happy couple time.
Wait, let's try it one more time where I'm the bottom, and then you're the top. So you're literally just like this.
Wait, like, yeah. Wait, put your legs a bit. Okay, I'm gonna do this quick. Hold on, wait. What's she doing? I'm gonna fall. Your arms up higher. Okay.
You look like you're smushing me. That pose is a check. Now on to the next one.
Let's try
Okay.
it. Can I do this person?
Okay.
I have an idea of how to do it.
I'm just like this?
Yeah, so just lay down and grab onto my ankles. Grab onto my ankles.
Okay.
And then... Oh, shoot.
Wait, let me put my feet up and you grab my feet, and then I'll lay my feet down.
Wait, how about we try to lay down and then...
What? You mean like this way, and then we just roll up? Come down on the ground? No, come on this side.
Oh.
This side of me. What are you doing? You just step over me. I literally hardcore just roll right over me.
So you... Oh!
Yeah. I grab your ankles here.
Okay, give me your leg.
Where's your other foot?
It's holding on. Sorry. Wait, I'm not ready. Oh, wait, I'm falling.
Keep pulling yourself together.
I could have just laid on top of you. Why did we have to roll? Stop laughing. You're laughing. Look at your
Okay, ready, go. Go. Now you bend back and grab my legs. They're right here. This is really impressive, because I have to hold you up like this. Like, should I go on the top?
Oh, actually.
Like this?
Oh, I get it
Should I
now.
go on? Put your feet up. Okay. Oh gosh, this is scarier.
Exactly. Oh, did you hear my back?
You're not even doing anything. I'm gonna do a back bend, and then you're gonna go on top of me.
I haven't done a back bend in so long.
Oh, holy frick, my back!
Please don't fall on me.
I think this will actually work. Okay, let me go crab walk over.
Okay, again. This is so hard. Okay, I bet I can do it though.
Hey, grab my legs.
Push with your legs.
Okay, that is a pass. That is no way we're doing that one. Okay, that's a pass. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so, do you want me to be bottom for now?
I just grab onto your knees.
No, I grab your leg and then you put your leg in.
This is not as easy as it looks.
Oh gosh, that was scary. kind of.
I can do that one, I bet.
I can stand in that position, so. You think you can do the splits like that?
You have good core strength.
Yes, I have very good core strength.
Okay, ready? No room for mistakes. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do it really quickly.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Okay. Wait, sorry, my
Oh, I have to let it
shoulder
rip.
is dislocating.
1, 2, 3.
Get over.
I felt like you're gonna collapse.
Fine.
We'll go more to your shoulders.
The other side. I feel like it would be so much easier for me to go like this, like a plank, instead of like a freaking arm thing. You gotta get on. I can't just stay in the plank for a long time.
I don't know if we're gonna do this.
Okay.
We're not professionals.
No. Okay, next pose. Didn't we try to do that one last time and fail?
Well, no, because I had to be, one person had to be here and their legs had to go that way.
Oh, okay. So you can be that one.
Okay.
I don't need the person
So
pulling my legs forward. Wait, am I facing this way? Or am I facing this way? Yeah, I'm facing this way. Okay. Wait. No, you need to be the other way. This one seems pretty easy. Wait, which leg is forward? Okay, that one.
Whoa, that was in the wrong spot.
I think I might have gotten it. Wait, let's try again with me closer. This is very fun. So I need to be like, I'm gonna have to go like here so I can put my hands here. Why are you putting your hands all the way together? You're not in this arch anymore.
I am.
You're trying. You're like, look at the camera.
Oh.
There you go. Now you're in the right position.
I'm just down here, I'm wondering what's going on up there.
Oh my god. You put your toe in my foot, right? Why did you put your toe in there?
It tickled so bad.
Okay.
Okay, move
it's
it
hard
behind.
to not put my foot. Oh my gosh, my cheeks hurt and my wrist hurts from literally falling. Okay. Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Lift off again. Let's try that one more time. I want to bend my leg back so you can actually see it in the camera.
Don't do lift off.
Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which one? Why do I feel like we can do this one? Wait, let's try that one.
Okay.
It looks like we're like two moms giving birth at the same. And then lift up the other one.
You move closer. Oh. You're not straight. Go higher.
Oh shit. Why are you holding your crotch?
Because you're so
I told you to hold your crotch. What?
Now they're straight. See? We're doing it!
That was good. We
That was
actually
such a
got
good-
one that we did.
That one was so easy. I think this is gonna be super easy.
What?
It's easier than the other one, which was it?
You think I can? I don't think I'm that flexible.
I was 6 years old. Okay, you have to go on your own.
I know. Ah, my back.
I'm scared right now. Please don't.
Why? You're literally doing nothing.
I'm holding you up!
Oh yeah, but right now, why are you scared? You're not doing
I'm
anything.
scared for what's to come.
I feel like I'm going to squish you.
You're supposed to put your hands on my pelvis, not my ribs.
Put your feet together. There you go. See if we can do this. I got just a tiny lift off.
My elbows.
Your elbows. You're like slowly going at the end of the mat. You're gonna push up higher. Okay.
Get on my pelvis.
Ready?
Ribs.
Do this really quickly. I don't think that was terrible. I don't think that was terrible. Okay, let's do the next one. What is this one? Yeah, there's no way we're doing it. Maybe? I don't know. It's literally like this. Okay, sorry, I just stabbed you so hard.
I can't even see it. Wait, let me try. What is she even doing?
I don't even know.
She's kind of just
Do you think we could do that?
Yeah,
I think so.
I bet I could even do that to you.
Okay, you go on the top. No, you need to go in. Okay. You need to get your butt higher on my butt.
Okay, hold on, go down my arm.
Okay.
Squat? Yeah, and okay, now go up.
There we go.
What?
It's an arm workout on your leg. Okay, trust me, I'm just backing up a little bit.
That's too much!
Really? I think we should get higher. Why are you wiggling so much?
I'm gonna go on the bottom this time.
I feel like you're gonna drop me like a freaking rock.
Ready? Why are you spreading your legs? Just keep them straight.
I think the taller person needs to be on the bottom.
That's literally it.
Are you sure? Okay, go down a little farther. Go down, lower.
If I go down lower, I can't come back up.
I guess that was okay. I feel like that was better than last time. Let's go to those ones. This one first? Yeah, sure, let's do that one. You're on this side?
This one goes up and this one comes like this. Let's not fail this one.
Okay. That was good, I thought. We got one.
That was so sad.
That one's really easy too. I'll go on the bottom. So I'm just like this.
Okay, that's it.
That was it. That was really easy. Okay,
We're going
next
through
one.
these so fast.
Good. Okay, let's try the top one. That one looks pretty difficult. I'll be the one pulling on your leg.
Oh yeah, so this leg is the one that that's on your foot. Oh. There's not enough like pulling.
Yeah. You need to be on my foot though. Ready? Set. Okay, this needs to be farther. How the frick? I feel like I should be the opposite way.
Well, pull more and then I can. Like
Okay,
you
like that. Let me have it. Ouch!
Are you okay?
That hurt. Okay, ready?
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just lost my balance and totally fell
You
over.
have like very little balance.
I'm pretty good. I'm a curler.
That's true.
Okay.
Why aren't we doing better then?
Because we just suck at life. Yeah, I'm gonna pull back. I feel like you can't hold me though.
I was waiting for that to happen. That's why I didn't lift off.
Maybe we should flip, but whatever.
Ready?
I don't think you can hold me, Naomi.
What do you mean? I'm supposed to hold me.
You're really pulling back like really far.
Wait,
I need to straighten my arms. I'll try to be this person.
Okay.
Now.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
It is really hard. It's harder than it looks.
And then like this, and you put this, go back, lean forward more.
AK booty set.
Okay, we got it.
You're supposed to be holding onto my foot like that, not my own leg.
Oh! Wait. Wait, that was working.
Stretch your leg.
Oh my
Make
God.
this leg straight.
Set, go.
Okay. Did we? I don't think we did that one. No. Okay. I'll go on the bottom, you'll go on the top.
So
My legs are so tired from doing it.
Same. Wait, bend your legs a little. How?
I don't know how I'm supposed to like stretch out that much. Because I'm lifting you up, see?
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Oh, crap. How is this gonna work? Hold on. Like, bend your legs more.
Bend? I can't bend because then I won't be able to get enough boost. Ready? This is working. This is not my arm.
Oh my god, are you okay?
You just ripped my finger in half.
Oh my god.
Oh god, you just ripped a huge chunk in my finger.
Oh my god! Was that from this? How about we don't do that position?
That worked pretty well.
No, it didn't.
Oh gosh, I'm bleeding. Yoga challenge gets wrecked. Wait, look at my finger. I'm bleeding. Ah! I kind of want to try it again, but let's scooch this forward a bit.
Yeah.
And by the way, got a pinky. Got a pinky.
Got a band-aid?
Scooch that black boy over.
Wow, we're so dumb. We could literally just cover it.
Now we're not gonna get injured.
Well, hopefully. Okay, we're gonna do this fast.
I don't know if we can do it fast. Okay, put your other foot on my hand.
I don't have enough balance.
This. Sorry.
not straight. That's so scary. Okay.
Really?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna fall on your face.
I need to put at least one foot on my hand. From my point of view, it's not difficult. You're just like falling down. Okay, I'll try the top, but I don't know if I can do that. Put your foot here.
This is fine, actually. This is fine.
Yeah, exactly. Let me crawl.
It's really not that bad. I just have to like jump, or you have to jump.
You literally dropped me. I was kind of terrified that you were gonna drop me. Not gonna lie, and you did.
I almost did. Wait, no, give me your feet.
Okay. I don't think we're doing this. I'm not doing this. This is kind of scary. Okay, let's do the last one. That one seems pretty easy. So you just put your arms out and your legs out, and it's pretty easy. As long as we do it.
Okay, ready? Ready?
I can like barely hold you.
Okay.
I'm on my knees. You need to do it really quickly. You need to jump on and jump off.
If I jump on, then it's not gonna go well. Okay.
Why, Amy? I'm strong, but I just think that I can't hold you. Okay, ready.
Okay, I think we got it.
We're not experienced at all. We haven't practiced our yoga knowledge.
You just have to keep your hands flat. Though.
Ouchie, frick, my pinky hurts.
Yeah. See, that's why I do.
Oh, flat like this?
Yes. And then you just stick out your butt.
You are so much more arched than me. Okay, look forward. We should be farther apart. I feel like we should go down more.
Your eyes are so big.
Yeah, let's see how that looks. This is very easy. Okay, well, we say that and then we die.
Okay.
You like twist your arms together.
This is easy. Wait. Oh, I'm supposed to be this way.
I was like, something about this doesn't look right.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put my hand there.
Okay. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I know, back exercises do a max. Oh, that's the last one we have. Yeah, let's do the outro now before I die again. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is it for this video. A couple injuries later. Hopefully my pinky's okay. Anyway, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like every video that I make, subscribe. That was really weird. I always said that. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye.